All right, I'm 3/4 of the way through my wheat scent bag. Yeah, that's how slow I go through this. I work on it maybe an hour or two a day. But I found my very first cherry picker's guide variety, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the coin, and then I'll show you a page out of the cherry picker's guide to let you guys know exactly what I found if you can't identify it off of the image. So I have the microscope attached to the device here, and it's a 1955 S Lincoln Wheat Scent with the repunched Mintmark. I don't know if you guys see that. Actually, this is a triple S, so it's a S over S over S on this one, and as good as the microscope is, it's kind of tough to see, but you could see right above the S, you see two circular lines where the repunching is. There you go. So you kind of see the two lines right there. If the S is close to the 5, and I know some of them sit a little bit further south and to the left of the date, that's the diagnostic for this specific RPM. But it's a really nice dramatic one, and one in which that I find it's not a regular type of repunched Mintmark that comes across too often, so it's kind of nice when they do show up. Here is a page out of the Cherry Picker's Guide to illustrate the 55S RPM. It's a triple S, and this is RPM 001, and you can see the valuations on paper. The coin itself, you know, in pretty good, decent grades. It has to be in a pretty good grade for it to be identifiable, and most people want nice strong RPMs when it comes to these coins, but in any case the coin somewhere where, you know, sells in the $5 to $10 range in XF and AU, which is a grade that most variety experts prefer. If it's a lower grade, that they don't sell too well, and of course mint state examples sell for a nice chunk of money. You know, I've seen them go for between $25 and $50. Based off of the valuation of the coin, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to slab it through NGC or PCGS, but it's a good coin just to have raw, and it's an easy sell the way it sits. So I wanted to share this find with you. I have a lot more that I'm going to share before we conclude the 1,000-piece wheat scent bag. But just to give you an idea, those are the type of things I come across, and it's a lot of fun to cherry pick. So check out them varieties. Make sure you go through them with a fine-tooth comb, because there are a lot of minor double dyes and repunched Mintmarks not listed in the Cherry Picker's Guide that you can also find. If you guys need more references, coppercoins.com. That's the site hosted by Chuck Daughtry, one of the foremost experts in Lincoln scent varieties. So anyways, this is Blue Ridge Silverhound. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and hit the bell for instant notifications. Appreciate your guys' time. Stay tuned for more stuff. Got a lot of neat finds I'm going to talk about, and yeah, we made some money on this bag. Anyways, have a good one. Take care.